Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Sri Sagar contends that this calculation is a clear act of overreaching the directions of the High Court and the judgment of the learned single judge, as affirmed in a special appeal. Stop. Sri Sagar submits that the Director of Education has not been given liberty to reduce the sanctioned strength that stood fixed as per the decision of this court. Stop. He therefore submits that even otherwise the calculation made in wrong and without putting the petitioner committee of management to notice on the issue of the strength of the students existing in the institution. Stop. He further contends that the Director of Education, having travelled beyond the direction of this court, the impugned order deserves to be set aside and the direction should be issued treating the sanctioned strength as 17 in the institution. Stop. Sri Yadav, Learned Standing Council, submits that strength has been reduced, which is within the power of the Director of Education, keeping in view the provisions of Section 9 of the UP Act number 24 of 1971, and therefore he was within his jurisdiction to proceed to recalculate the strength permissible for the purpose of making appointments. Stop. He therefore contends that there is no error in the impugned order and one post is still available for being filled up in accordance with law. Para. Having heard learned counsel for the parties, the strength of class 4th employees was the main contest in the writ petition, and the special appeal referred to herein above. Stop. The same was contested on the basis of the stand taken by the state in the counter affidavit filed in the said litigation, where the state itself had admitted the sanctioned strength of 17 class 4th employees as per the government order dated 2011-1977. Stop. The learned single judge has recorded this fact, and as such, once the sanctioned strength had been determined, then it was not open to the Director of Education to embark upon any fresh inquiry and redetermine the sanctioned strength after the judicial intervention had taken place. Stop. The Director of Education has therefore clearly overreached the decision of this court, which was impermissible. Stop. He ought to have proceeded on the strength of 17 posts as available in the institution as finally decided by this court. Para. In the event the Director of Education was proceeding to redetermine the strength, then proceedings ought to have been undertaken in accordance with law and not otherwise, in as much as the Director was proceeding to decide the matter only on the basis of the direction given by this court on 5/12/2012 in writ petition number 63102 of 2012. Stop. A perusal of the said judgment leaves no room for doubt that the Director's jurisdiction was confined to the observations made therein, which clearly indicated that the matter shall be proceeded with in terms of judgment of the special appeal and the learned single judge which had been affirmed therein. Stop. Thus, Refixing of the strength of the Director of Education was patently without authority in law. Para. The writ petition is allowed. Stop. The impugned order dated 15 to 2013 is therefore quashed. Stop. The directors shall now be issued on the basis of the strength of class 4th employees in the institution, treating it to be 17 as on date. Stop. The director shall issue necessary instructions to the district inspector of schools forthwith within 15 days from the date of production of a certified copy of this order before him without any further delay. Stop. This court would have proceeded against the director Sri Vasudev Yadav as the impugned order was in effect a contemptuous act, but keeping in view the stand taken by Sri Ashok Yadav, learned standing counsel, not to file counter affidavit at this stage, the court has taken a lenient view and has issued the aforesaid directions. Stop. Thank you.